What a privilege to be with you. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dilegazi Mokebe, the FNB Lesotho CEO. I just want to really convey our deepest gratitude to you, our clients, our society. For 4 years in a row, FNB Lesotho has won the most admired financial services provider from Brand Africa. This is really a token of what it takes for us as FNB Lesotho to deliver our purpose to you, our clients, which is that we use our talent to help Lesotho to build a future of shared prosperity. And thank you so much for all your support.
Dumela bo mme le bo ntate. Lebitso la ka ke Malefetsane Tshele. Ha eso ke mane go go ga Phohledi. Ke mosebedisi ya moholo wa FNB. Ka nnete ke leboa ho sebetsa le FNB dilemo tsena na tseo ke bileng le tsona. Ke ka ile ho sebetsa le FNB ke a gola bo 2017 ka mora go motho ka nnete be le gona wa hore o iketsetse mokgwanyana wa o iphidisa ka sekerepenyana ke seno mono ha e sa le ke le mosebeletsi wa FNB go tloa dilemong tseno fitla hana bo le tjena ke a leboha.